Hey everyone, the DOOGEE S200 Max is the newest addition to the brand's rugged smartphone lineup and takes the series to a new level by combining advanced performance with unmatched durability. As the flagship of the S200 family, which already includes the S200, S200X, and S200 Plus, the S200 Max positions itself as the ultimate powerhouse in the range. DOOGEE has also teased the upcoming S200 Ultra, which will go even further with more storage options and a futuristic illuminated design. The first impression of the S200 Max is its bold, mecha-inspired design. With reinforced edges and sharp contours, the phone feels like it was engineered to withstand the toughest environments. Certified with IP68 and IP69, K water and dust resistance, and MILST D810H military-grade protection, it can handle drops, dirt, and extreme conditions with ease. This makes it particularly appealing for outdoor enthusiasts, field workers, and anyone needing a device that can survive where standard smartphones fail. Perhaps the most standout feature of the S200 Max is its colossal 22,000 mAh silicon carbon battery, one of the largest capacities ever fitted into a rugged phone. This massive power source ensures days of use on a single charge, something that will be especially valuable for expeditions, remote work, or emergency situations. DOOGEE has paired this with 66-watt fast charging, so the massive battery doesn't take excessively long to top up, and it even offers 18-watt reverse charging, allowing the device to double as a reliable power bank for other gadgets. The S200 Max also integrates practical tools that elevate it beyond the role of a simple phone. 2 LED spotlights sit at the top of the device, offering up to 120 lumens of brightness with a 10-meter beam range. These lights turn the phone into a survival companion for camping, night work, or rescue operations. Another unique addition is the secondary 1.3-inch IPS rear display. This small but useful screen provides quick access to essentials like time, messages, or custom animations, saving battery by avoiding constant use of the main display. Speaking of displays, the main panel is a 6.7 2-inch Full HD plus IPS screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It delivers smooth visuals and clarity, making it suitable not only for rugged field use, but also for entertainment and gaming. Powering the device is the Dimensity 7055G octa-core processor. This chipset, combined with 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of internal storage, ensures the phone can handle demanding tasks, multitasking, and media storage without compromise. Camera performance is equally robust, led by a 108 megapixels AI main camera designed to capture sharp, detailed shots even in challenging conditions. On the front, a 32 megapixel selfie camera provides clear and vibrant images, proving that rugged phones no longer have to compromise on photography quality. Overall, the DOOGEE S200 Max is much more than a tough smartphone. It is a fully equipped survival device. With its huge battery, dual flashlights, durable build, secondary display, and powerful hardware, it is tailored for adventurers, professionals, and anyone who needs their phone to endure as much as they do. By blending cutting-edge specs with practical, survival-ready tools, DOOGEE has redefined what a rugged flagship can be. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful. Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.